Good morning and welcome back to the shop. As much as I would love to jump right back into working on our sax style blade, I have to work on a couple of bread and butter items actually, and then there are some very important outside maintenance that must be done ASAP. So I thought I'd bring you along on that. A little update on the forging press. It seems to be doing quite well. I was using it for forging down that large truck spring for the Viking sax build, if you saw that, and there's no play in the carriage. I put some good marine grease on the contact points, and that seems to be helping. I think there's still a little bit more wear in for it to do, but all in all, much better than it was. So I'm going to show you guys the best way that I know of to make heart. And the first step is to hammer down a taper on each end of your stock equally. In this case, I am using 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch hot rolled mild steel stock. Whatever dimension of stock you use, your goal in drawing this taper down is to maintain the thickness, in this case the 1/4 inch dimension of the stock, all the way down while tapering the wider side. Once you have an equal single-sided taper on each end of your stock, the next step is to heat up the center or the middle of your stock so we can put the bend in that is going to be the bottom of the heart. This is an important step. You need to forge the two sides of the heart together very tightly down at the bottom here. If you don't do that, it's much more difficult to get a clean, attractive looking bend at the bottom of the heart. It's really important to have both sides of the heart open way up so that you have room to make the curl. like to use ammonia to clean off the finished product here, and then of course you can go ahead and rub it down with beeswax if you like. This just gets all the black residue off. Guys, thanks for coming along today on this little horseshoe heart build. Hopefully you got some ideas that you can maybe use in your shop or maybe as a gift for somebody else. So appreciate you being here. I'll be back very soon with the Viking Sax build, and that is going to be awesome, so stick around. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notifications button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.